The Trimble Tomcats were looking to beat Nelsonville York for the second time in the past 4 days, with the Buckeyes trying to end Trimble's 3-game winning streak.
Nelsonville York beat the Trimble Tomcats 66-53, jumping out to an early lead in the first quarter by pushing the ball and attacking the hoop. The Tomcats struggled defensively, not moving their feet, and they allowed several easy baskets. Kelly Cox led the charge for the Buckeyes with 27 points, which helped her team push its lead to 13 points in the third quarter. The Tomcats struggled with foul trouble throughout the game, and both Taylor Savage and Jessie Spears fouled out with more than 5 minutes left to go. Coach Amanda Dalton encouraged a fast tempo, turning her team loose.
They kept asking me what offense. I said, go. Green, we need to get out of here. We need to go. And I think that's our best offense right now. We got to get it and go. And it keeps us at our strong points with our dribbling and passing into the post. And I think that's our best offense.